There is a video going around asking if the 800NK camshafts are better than KTM's. Yes, early KTM 790 engines had wear issues, but those were pre-2020 models. CFMOTO started producing the engine after those problems were fixed, and the 800NK, it's released after years of 800MT reliability. I've seen 800MTs with 50-60,000 kilometers and no camshaft problems. My own bike, 1.5 years and not a single issue. If you change the oil on time, let the engine warm up and ride it responsibly, there is no reason this engine should fail you. So no, there is no widespread camshaft issue on the 800NK. So if you are afraid that your 800MT is gonna have the camshaft issue with the engine, it's nothing to worry about. There are a lot of 800MT produced after 2020 that passed already 50-60,000 kilometers. You can find very easy videos. If you just do a little search, 50,000 kilometers MT, 800MT on YouTube, you're gonna very easily find them. My experience with this motorcycle, I'm changing oil early, few kilometers before the time to change it. I'm not torturing my bikes. I'm taking good care of my bikes all the time. It was totally isolated issues. Early 2019, this engine. KTM fixed it. CFMOTO took this engine, made it even better, improved it. The oil flow on the engine, it's not the same as the lot that had this issue with the camshaft on the 700 from Duke. Of course, you may have this issue with any motorcycle if you are putting bad oil, if you are not making the service on time. Any motorcycle you have may have this issue if you abuse it. You throw it, you drop it, sand, dust, bad oil, you change after 2, 3, 5, maybe more thousand kilometers the oil. Of course, any motorcycle is gonna have camshaft issues. Air filter, very important. If it's going on dust all day with a motorcycle, never change the air filter, and after complaining it has camshaft issues because the cooling is not happening as it's supposed to. Don't worry, take care of your motorcycle. I'm telling you, this is a good one. You're never gonna have issues if you take care of any motorcycle from any brand, not especially this one because it's super motorcycle. No, it's a decent motorcycle for the price with no issues. For me, I had no issues with this one. 18 months, 1 year and 6 months, and it's getting more than 7 months in this moment. Free motorcycle from CFMOTO. This is the third one. I had no issues, only the issue with the key that I told you about. All right. If you have questions, or if you want to share your experience on this motorcycle, or tell me the issues you had with all this motorcycle, make me a comment. Let's start a discussion. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.